ito bang suspension ninyo, itong 6-month suspension, ano ang implication nito sa inyo bilang practicing physician?
This has no impact kasi meron akong Professional Regulation Commission ID. I can still practice in the hospital.
Okay.
But ang problema nito, reputational damage, being a former president of the Philippine College of Physicians. So, ang unfortunate, nakakatampo, hindi ka man lang tinawagan para, at sabi mag-meeting tayo. In fact, last month, nag-convention kami with all the past presidents and the board of directors. Mano ba nang nag-special meeting and iron it out? Kung alam ko doon, I could have accepted it. Pero what happened ngayon, binigla ako. And the series of events, I think, I said na politics and cabinet members ang involved. You know why? Because I filed a case against Secretary Recto, cabinet officials, Frederick Go, Ted Herbosa, the PhilHealth, Amena Pangadaman, last May 25, for plunder and technical malversation. Different from the dismiss sa ombudsman kasi ito, 6 ang hinabla ko. And then, Congressman Garin said in a video that I killed a patient while not seeing it. So I filed a, Thursday yun, I filed a cyber libel in Quezon City. And after I filed a libel case in Quezon City, doon lumabas itong report. 1 year na itong case na to. The coincidence, very telling na nangyari. And without informing me. And then, paano makakalabas in a clandestine, orchestrated attack against me? Nagulat nga ako nung lumabas yan. And then, nasa press statement na ng mga radyo, June 5. So I only received the letter May 31 pero antedated na May 20. So very suspicious kasi ang tagal lang to 1 year and suddenly nilalabas nila without the benefit of a meeting. Alam mo, during the time when I was president, Ricky Nelson, meron nang ganito Before, merong isang colleague kami na nangyari ito na criminal, malversation ng 1 million funds. Dumating sa point na nag-hearing kasama ang parents and then Council of Elders. And then nung hindi namin na-decide, another case, PhilHealth naman violation, dinivide namin ng house doon sa convention, business meeting. 12,000 of us, they voted on it. Pero hindi kumalat sa publiko. Ito, kumalat sa publiko, destroying the reputation of a physician, particularly me, na ang daming advokasya, and then hindi na consider the bigger picture. Sa Code of Ethics kasi, pag first offense, admonition or reprimand, I was given 6 months. 6 months.
Suspension.
The reputation to, suspension of my fellowship. But, nakaka-practice pa naman. Pero ang masakit nun, the mental anguish to the family, to the reputation, people asking you whether you can practice or not.
Yes.
So, the due process, wala dun So, yun ang nakakasakit. And Yusek Kenneth Hartigan Go, na PCP member, siya naging visual spokesperson na nag-file kunwari sa PCP. This is not accurate. Actually, Dr. Go, siya yung number 2, pero ang main proponent nung paghahabla sa akin sa PCP ay si Congressman Deputy Speaker Garin and other officials. So, politics involved. And then yesterday, to an intermediary, kinausap yung lawyer ko, ang sabi nung pangalan ay Ken. Pag hindi titigil si Dr. Liachon at tanggapin na lang niya yung 6 months, may mangyayari sa kanya. Family, life, at saka yung PRC card niya. So, doon pa lang alam mo na orchestrated yung attack kasi may threats na to your life. Oo, may threat to your life, to your family, and your PRC card. Kasi if I will not be able to settle this ethics complaint against me sa PCP, they will use this naman sa PRC. na to remove my license. So, I cannot testify right now sa Deng Baksha. May case ako sa Supreme Court, pinaglaban ko, remember yung December 5 na unconstitutional transfer, yung ombudsman case kina Recto, kina Herbosa, and then sa Supreme Court, meron din ako for the zero subsidy. So, mawawalan ka ngayon ng reputation. So, I think it is an orchestrated attack. I'm not saying this cabinet officials or lawmaker involved. I can only just think, and as a doctor, I can connect the dots. This is an orchestrated attack coercing the Philippine College of Physicians, using that as a platform to discredit and besmirch me. And I will not take this sitting down. I will fight for my reputation, for my family, and for the advocacies, particularly for the Deng Baksha victims.
Ano